Hello everyone, welcome to GuiGui's channel. Today we're going to do a basic introduction, like a quick introduction about GuiGui software, like what's the function of each button and how this software works to help you to improve your efficiency of your factory. So as you can see, uh, now in front of us is like the login interface of the GuiGui software. And after our client purchased this software or uh, had us to activate the trial account for them, we'll usually set the phone number of our client as the account, and you can set it up the password by yourself. And the default password would usually be 88 or 123456. It's pretty simple. And after the account is done, we could log in here. And now what you are saying is the main interface of our software. And firstly, you could change the language here. Like now it is English, and we support like 8 language here. For other language, there might be some small mistakes or something maybe you wanna customize its name by yourself. You could use this function called modify translation. Here you can like change each name by yourself. For example, this click to enter, you could like customize by yourself. For example, this click to enter, I could do it to CTO, CTE, I'm sorry, and then save. The next time when you are saying this button, you'll be showing like this, CTE. And let's do this one by one. The first one is order. This is where you can see your like all the orders you could. This is where like we design or draw the cabinets. And for this production progress and this sorting and packing, it's basically for the management of the factory. You could see the process of your orders, and these are two additional function. Today we are going to focus on like about the production or the designing. And the third one, quick patch, it's about like when you are cutting your boards, your panels, or when you are transforming them, sometimes there will be like some maybe damage or missing of the panels. Then at that time you could use this function to uh, make some new boards of the missing one or the damaged one. And now it comes to the settings. Here there are a lot of content you could edit. Firstly, the process setting. There are a lot of things like about each connectors or components. You could set it up by yourself. Let's take this as an example. Uh, in different countries or in different factories, the material of the panel we are using might be different. We could add the material we're using. Here, for example, I'm using a panel here. I could do it like I could add a new kind of panel here, like the A panel, and then I could add like different, maybe 16 thickness, thick, like A panel for here. For example, I'm using this kind of panel, and I could do a 16 one, and I could also do like 18 one. I could set up the types of the panel by myself. Also, it comes to it works on other components. For example, the hinge. Maybe we will be using the different type of hinge or slide. The size of them or the brand of them might be different. We could set it up by ourselves. And this is basically how the process settings works. It's basically impossible to tell all of them at one time. In the future, for the clients of us, there will be of ours, there will be like a there will be like a online training, and we will mm, share knowledge about this like when we are doing like each time of our online training. And for the this part is for the device. We would also make sure our software could work on your machine, maybe Sensi, maybe Panasol. We would do like docking before we like finish the whole process. And the client information is also a part of like the management function for the account management. For each account of our clients, they could activate like a lot of sub account for your designer or maybe workers. They could uh, design or draw the cabinets at their own account, and the account of the factory of the or the boss, they could see what they drew at their sub account. But for the sub account, they can only draw. But if they are going to product, it has to be the boss account, maybe the main account. And for this star gallery, it's just like a library. It also works like the here and here. These three parts are like the library. We could save our handle or the type of special typed door. We could set it up here. Oh, by the way, this is also like a part of the management function. And the last one is the system 16 settings. It's just some basic setting of the each every software would have. For example, like the shortcut key, you could set it up by yourself here, or maybe the list setting. It's about like some hardware your factory are using, but there is not in the list of our software. You could edit. You could add them here. And these are just some basic settings like every software would have.